To my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to thread a needle with a needle threader. This is what they call a needle threader, and it's not easy to do, but it's not hard to do. It's easier than getting the thread through there, definitely. You just take it and you put it through the hole of the needle, if I can even find it. And then I'm going to stick my thread through that wire. Like that. And then I'm going to pull my thread out like that. And then I'm going to pull it straight back like this, and it comes straight through the needle. Now, you cannot do it from this end, because if you do it from this side, when you pull the thread through, it'll throw your tension off. So if I was to do it from this direction, which would be a lot easier, and I stick my thread through there, and this way, and pull my thread through like that, it's going to throw your tension off. So make sure you do it the first way so you don't screw your tension up. These are found in any sewing kit that you buy at like Walmart, Dollar General, whatever store you go to. The little $1 sewing kits, you'll have these needle threaders in them. So if you need to get one, they do help. It's a little bit hard to hit the hole with the wire, but it's a lot easier than the thread. So I'll see you next video.